Hey guys, we're International Drive, Orlando, Florida. We're at the helicopter tours right now. There was 2 other videos previous to this for International Drive. We're doing a tour of International Drive area. So we're traveling south down International Drive. But let's continue. This will be video 3 of the series. Turn right and go south down International Drive. Looks like Miller's Ale House to the left, Ice Bar left, Rosen Inn on the right side. Regency. Alright. Wonderworks on the left side. Point Orlando will be up here on the left side. We're at Samoan Court right now. Point Orlando parking. Improv. Yes. That's what we'll do tonight. Alright, Hyatt Regency. Used to be the Peabody Hotel. The Capitol Grill, left side. Point Plaza, right side. Rosen Plaza. Still on International Drive. Statues to the right. It's very cool. Huh. Never seen it. Convention Center to the right side. The older part of the Convention Center. But there is a newer part of the Convention Center on the left side. They'll call them concourses. Southwest concourse. West or south concourse. Boy. We'll be passing this. So Convention Center right side, Rosen Center straight ahead. So there's the West Concourse entrance and parking entrance, parking garages, outside parking lot. So I think that's the East Concourse over there with the Convention Center on the left side. Discovery Cove entrance, right side. Right turn here. This would be Central Florida Boulevard, I believe. Oh, Central Florida Parkway. Yes, Central Florida Parkway. You would turn right to go to Seaworld or Discovery Cove. We're going straight to the resort area. Yeah, we'll go by the resort area. The other resort, like the timeshare resort areas. That'll be right up here. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video. Just keep them short and sweet. Alright guys, this is a third video for International Drive. We left the helicopter tours on International Drive and now we're just passed over Central Florida Parkway.